Hello friends, welcome to your own channel Botany by Dr. Jaswinder Kaur. In this video, I will discuss 8th part of series 450 most important plant taxonomy MCQs. In this series, I have included each and every question that was asked in different competitive exams like TGT, PGT, lecturer, assistant professors, botany PCS, MSc entrance exams and other exams. Without wasting time, let's start. Consider the following statements. Nomenclature for a taxon is necessary. किसी taxon के लिए nomenclature जो है क्यों necessary है, किस लिए ज़रूरी है? Which of these statements are correct? We have to find the correct statement among these 4 statements. Vernacular names are not universal. This is true, as vernacular names or common names are not universal. 2 or more unrelated species are known by the same common name. This is also correct because many times unrelated species are known by the same common name. Vernacular names do not provide information on generic relationships. Vernacular name से हमें उसकी generic relationship के बारे में कोई भी information नहीं मिलती है. Vernacular names are not available for all species. सभी species के vernacular names या common names जो है वो available नहीं होते हैं. So among these, all the 4 statements are correct. So option D is the answer. The taxonomic category class is between the taxonomic category class that comes between the division and order. When the generic name and the specific epithet in a binomial have exactly the same spelling, the binomial is known as. जब generic name और specific name जो है exactly same होते हैं, they have same spelling, at that time the binomial is known as tautonym. Consider the following statements with reference to criteria used in the classification of plants in the Engler and Prandtl system. Which of the statements given above are correct? We have to find the correct statements among these 4 statements. First is, the families were arranged according to the increasing complexity of flowers and fruits. This is true because they have arranged the families according to the increasing complexity of flower and fruit. In flowering plants, absence of perianth was considered as a primitive character. This is also correct because absence of perianth was considered as primitive character. Then the monocots were considered to be more primitive than dicots. This is also correct, that in Engler and Prandtl system they have considered monocots more primitive than the dicots. Unisexual flowers were derived from bisexual flowers. No, they have not considered this. They have considered that bisexual flowers are derived from unisexual flowers. So this statement is incorrect. Only statement 1, 2 and 3 are correct. So option C is correct. In numerical taxonomy, the taxonomic entity of the lowest rank used is. In numerical taxonomy, the lowest rank entity is operational taxonomic unit. The aggregate fruit of lotus consists of fruitlets which are an aggregate of, they are aggregate of acnes, and the fruit of lotus is called as a trio of acne. A specimen or other illustration selected from the original material to serve as a nomenclatural type where no holotype was designated at the time of publication or as long as it is missing is known as the lectotype. जब एक specimen select किया जाता है original material से to serve as a nomenclatural type where no holotype was designated at the time of publication or it is missing, at that time the specimen that is selected from the original material, it is known as the lectotype. A specimen cited in the protologue other than the holotype or isotype is known as. अब जब protologue में एक specimen cite किया गया है other than holotype and isotype, that specimen is known as paratype. A specimen or other element selected to serve as nomenclatural type as long as all the material on which the name of the taxon was based is missing is known as. जब मेन जो nomenclatural type है जिसके ऊपर एक प्लांट का नाम बेस है वो मिसिंग हो, at that time we make a new specimen and it is known as neotype. The term plant taxonomy was first introduced to plant science by. The term plant taxonomy was first introduced by A.P.D. Candolle. In which one of the following betalins are present? Betalins are present in Centrospermi. In which one of the following family betalins are present? Among these, betalins are present in Dideriaceae. Match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer using the code given below. In list 1, characteristics of families are given, and in list 2, name of family is given. We have to give the correct match. Inflorescence, umbel, 2 carpellary, inferior ovary, fruits of 2 mericarp. As we know, umbel inflorescence is the characteristic feature of family Apiaceae. Inflorescence, capitulum, 2 carpellary, inferior ovary, fruit Cypsilla, pappus hairy. This capitulum inflorescence, pappus and inferior ovary, these are all characteristic of family Astraceae. Inflorescence sign, flowers regular, 2 carpellary, superior ovary with swollen and oblique placenta, fruits berry. Swollen and oblique placenta, these are characteristic of family Solanaceae. Berry fruit is also present in family Solanaceae. Inflorescence, verticillaster, flowers irregular, 2 carpellary, superior ovary with gynobasic style, fruits of 4 nutlets. और इसमें जैसे verticillaster inflorescence दी गई है and gynobasic style, ये specific features जो है family Lamiaceae के हैं. अगर आपको बाकी के features नहीं भी पता है तो main जो character है उसके base पे भी आप family के साथ correctly match कर सकते हैं. So the correct option among this is option B. The genus Yucca was separated from Liliaceae and kept under Agavaceae because it shows. Yucca genus है that was separated from family Liliaceae and it was placed in Agavaceae because it showed different chromosome size than family Liliaceae. In which one of the following genus A cell shows 5 large chromosomes and 25 small chromosomes? This characteristic is found in family Agavaceae. 5 large chromosomes and 25 small chromosomes जो है family Agavaceae की characteristic है. In Yucca also यही characteristic present है, that is large and small chromosome. That is why Yucca was also placed in family Agavaceae and removed from family Liliaceae. Typhaceae considered as the primitive most family by. Typhaceae was considered as primitive most family by Engler and Prantl. In which one of the following fruits is Coreopsis? Coreopsis type of fruit is present in family Poaceae. Among these, wheat is member of family Poaceae, so correct answer is wheat. Coreopsis fruit is found in family. अभी last question में भी हम लोगों ने discuss किया. Coreopsis fruit जो है that is found in family Poaceae. Match the list 1 characters with list 2 families and select the correct answer using the codes given below the list. In list 1, characters are given. Synandrous stamens. Synandrous stamens are characteristic of family Cucurbitaceae. Syngenaceous anthers. This is characteristic of family Asteraceae. Gynostegium is present in Asclepidaceae. Now, I have told you earlier also family Asclepidaceae is now considered under family Apocynaceae and now it is the subfamily of family Apocynaceae. Siliqua fruit type of fruit is present in family Brassicaceae. So correct option among this is option A. Botanical name of supari is Erica ketchum. In which one of the following family stigma is feathery? Feathery stigma is found in family Poaceae. Hortus, mortus and hortus siccus means, these are the Latin words, and hortus mortus means dry garden and hortus siccus means dead garden. These two terms are used for herbarium. It was Linnaeus who popularized the word herbarium, replacing the previously used hortus mortus and hortus siccus. Which one of the following are catkin bearers? Catkin type of inflorescence is found in order Amantiferae. A scaly bracteated Phloxus spike-like inflorescence is called. Here the Phloxus spike is that which have many curves or bends, that is, they are zigzag, and this type of inflorescence is present in catkin. Dilated cisternae in endoplasmic reticulum are found in. Dilated cisternae in endoplasmic reticulum are found in reddish. PM subtype sieve element plastids are seen in. These are seen in Centrospermae. According to International Code of Nomenclature for Algae, Fungi and Plants, ICN, Opsida is used at the end of the name of a class. In which one of the following families lodicules are seen? Lodicules are seen in family Poaceae. Agrostology is the science that deals with the study of grasses. According to Takhtajan, which one of the following is the most primitive? According to Takhtajan, bisexual flowers with free petals are the most primitive characters. In which one of the following lodicules are seen? As we have discussed earlier, lodicules are present in family Poaceae, and among this, Heteropogon is a member of family Poaceae. That means lodicules are seen in Heteropogon. According to ICN rules, Gutiferae is otherwise called as, Gutiferae is also called as Clusiaceae. According to ICN rules, Palmae is otherwise called as Ericaceae. Poaceae was earlier known as Gramineae. Which one of the following is an Amentiferae? Amentiferae is the term used in some classification system for plants that bear catkin type of inflorescence, and in Casuarinaceae, catkin type of inflorescence is present. That is why it belongs to Amentiferae. According to ICN rules, Cruciferae is otherwise called as Brassicaceae. To which one of the following family genus Apium belongs? Genus Apium belongs to family Apiaceae, and other name of family Apiaceae is Umbelliferae. Gynobasic style is found in. Gynobasic style is a characteristic feature of family Lamiaceae, and among this, Leucus is the member of family Lamiaceae. Gynostrigium is found in family Apocynaceae. In which one of the following Gynostrigium is found? Gynostrigium is found in Calotropis because it belongs to family Apocynaceae. Synandrous stamens are seen in family Cucurbitaceae. Synandrous stamens are seen in family Cucurbitaceae, and among this, Cucurbita is member of family Cucurbitaceae, so it is also present in Cucurbita. Capitulum inflorescence is seen in family. Capitulum inflorescence is characteristic feature of family Astraceae, so it is seen in family Astraceae. Head inflorescence is seen in. Head inflorescence is the other name of capitulum inflorescence, and it is also seen in family Astraceae. Among these, Tridex is member of family Astraceae, so head inflorescence is seen in Tridex. The monocotyledons precedes dicotyledons in the classification of. Monocotyledons precede dicotyledons in Engler and Pranter classification. The petals are minute or absent in one of the Caryophyllacean genera, and this genera is Sagina. Who developed the concept that the genus is a fundamental category of classification? The concept of genus was developed by Tournefort, and he also gave the term genus. Character similarity that can be misinterpreted as common descendant is called. The character similarities that can lead to misinterpretation as a common descendant is known as homoplasy. Spergula arvensis, whose seeds are used in TB, belongs to family. Spergula arvensis belongs to family Caryophyllaceae. Obdiplosteminous condition is seen in family Caryophyllaceae. That's all for today. Rest of the questions I will discuss in next video. If you found this video useful, please like, share and comment, and until next time, goodbye.